Today we'll talk about how to create a hotel custom receipts for your one. Before you go, you can go to the public logos and you can download the logos which are available, and as well as you can as well as load the custom logos for public usage. Here we have two types of the hotel receipts. One is invoice based, another one is a standard. So the below the first top three are invoice based, where you can see a different look and feel of this one, and you can click on the preview where you can able to see that, and on click of preview you can able to see these download buttons are enabled. On click of edit you can choose the different font type what you want to set it up, and stuff like that. And as well as I can load any image I want. And once I load, I can minimize the size of it. I can go to here, I can see the size is changing the way you want. And the another feature here is address. So if you see here, you can have the address either in the table or below the logo, that you can choose by selecting this option. And you can choose the currency here. And the header section, you can change the size of it. Before I say, let me enter some test data so that you can see how it works. Let me enter some price information, and I can select the content. So the content is nothing but this, and I can change the size, or I can increase the size the way I want. And you can change the size for either ones, like the thank you section or bottom section or headers, or whichever you want. Another thing is the market beverage, like if you are in a hotel, if you want to buy some food, where you want to add some price for that, you can still do that. Within the date range itself you have to enter it. You can see that the item got added within the given range. And if you want to change the description, you can do that here. You can change it whatever you want, you can do that. And that's about it. And please don't forget to utilize this copy paste. See, I have created some stuff before, and I can click on this and I can use this. So once once you create by spending some time, later you can leverage the same thing by copying it, and you can reuse as many times as you can. This feature is only available for the logged in users. Going back to the other templates, here let me show you some functionality here. Here you have this, the the switch functionality, where you can able to toggle between the headers, and the same way you can as well toggle between these things. So you can use these arrows to switch uh, the contents, or toggle between the locations. You can use that. And if you want to make something bold, you can use that in the another invoice type. So this is some of the features, like it's all customizable the way you want. The standard ones are, it's pretty standard, where you can upload it, but it doesn't comes with the features like you cannot resize the images. You can fit in the same image whatever it is. stuff like that. Whereas you can find that resizing that images or toggling those images and all, you can find that in invoice based kind of receipts there. So this is the little older way of doing it. So this is all I have. Thank you.